Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're here again with, oh god, can I not find it, another foundation Friday. And yeah, I don't know where I put it, but today we're gonna talk about the ULTA powder foundation. So if you want to see how that foundation work, how it perform, how it do its stuff, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back and let's talk about this foundation. This top is like a medium and it's like falling here. Okay, let's talk about this foundation. So first, let me find it. So there's 20 shades for this Miss Ulta Beauty Adjustable Coverage Foundation. 20 shades, and this is the darkest shade, like right here. My shade is, I think, tan neutral, dark neutral, warm neutral, deep. So this shade is the fourth to the darkest shade. Yeah, I don't know about that. But so the shade range we know sucks. It's $14. It has clean ingredients, cruelty free. So it's an Ulta's adjustable coverage foundation. Is a creamy moisturizing formula that provides a flawless luminous finish. The formula glides effortlessly onto the skin. Skin feels smooth and comfortable upon application. So the benefits, it says it's creamy, moisturizing formula, luminous finish, long wear, adjustable coverage, can be used wet or dry, and it is reduce the appearance of fine lines and imperfections, suitable for all skin types. So they say it can be used wet or dry. So I don't know. Let us see. Wet or dry. Let us prime. I'm gonna use this primer that I got in my box charm, and this is the Alchemist biological beauty anti-pollution primer. It's just a lot. Like that was like quite a mouthful. Okay, let me open this and let's jump into this. So say it can be used wet, so should we like wet it? I don't know. That makes me nervous. That makes me very, very, very nervous. The fact that it say it can be used wet, I don't know. So this shade looks light. Oh, I have this brush. So this is from Wireless, and that came in my boxy charm. So let us go. So this right now, this is dry. So the coverage on that is like non-existent. I mean, can you tell the difference? This side has no foundation, and then this side has foundation. So that's foundation. This is no foundation. All I feel like this is doing is just covering my, like just mattifying my face. Where's the luminous? And this is like drying and dusty and crusty. I don't know. I have like major issues, guys. Like major issues with powder foundation. I just feel like it doesn't work for me. Like unfortunately, like it doesn't work for me. So yeah, and you can see all my freckles and discoloration and everything over my face. Like everything is still there and nothing budged. Okay. Let's do some concealer from one side, just a little bit. Because I need concealer. See, at the end of the day, this should work. Because they said it use wet and dry, right? So normally, I wouldn't advise anybody to put powder over liquid or whatever, but hey, they say it should work, so let's see. I don't know. I feel like I would almost like this as a, like, if I already have a foundation, like a liquid or cream foundation that's giving me like a lot of coverage, I feel like I could put that over top to give me some kind of coverage. But apart from that, like I don't, which is the same thing I'm gonna do for the Juvia's Place one. But apart from that, this foundation's like, it's for the birds. And it's just like making this patchy thing there. And it's not because of this blush, because I had it on already. Like I had the patch already. I don't know what it's doing now. I think I have a little bit of like dry skin there, and it just settled in it. This is not the business, like not even close. But we're just gonna go ahead with this train wreck. This look is something else, but that's what I got. Okay, so this is how everything is looking. I don't know. I had to spray because my face looked quite matte, so I had to spray a little, you know, MAC Fix Plus on the face to make it look just a little bit, you know, not so dry. So yeah, as usual, I will give you guys my 2 check-ins, tell you how this foundation is working, and at the end of the night, I will give you my final thoughts on how this foundation works, how it performs, how it do its thing. So see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in. My face is still looking fine, like I know, but I'm a little bit agitated about this foundation. It's not terrible, but is it something to write home about? Maybe not, but it's still kind of matte. Right now I've been wearing this foundation for about 2 hours, maybe 3, and it looks good. I mean, it looks okay, I guess. I'm still just hanging in there. We'll see. So I'll give you guys one more check-in, and then at the end of the night I will give my final thoughts on how this foundation is working, and if I recommend, if I don't recommend. They do only have 20 shades, so that is definitely something to keep in mind. So I'm pretty sure not everybody's gonna get a shade, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So see you guys later.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact. know that I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my second check-in. Yeah, my forehead is really greasy and my nose, but man, look at this. This is like so cool. But yeah, I don't know. I'm still on the fence about this foundation. I just feel like the coverage is just so not really there. But yeah, but apart from that, it's not crazy. My lips are gone because I just finished eating. Again, I am like always eating because you know these are the times like I spend time with my hubs and we go out and we just do stuff as a couple, which you need to do. That's very good. Always date your spouse. You know, that's very important. So I'm always doing like, date nights with him. And well, we didn't always do it, but now we kind of try to make it priority. And this weekend is extra special because, it's his birthday soon. So we're doing, extra date nights and lunch dates and breakfast dates and, the whole shebang. So yeah, so that's my final check-in. I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. See you guys later. Hi guys, so we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So let's look. Let's ignore the lips, because that's another story. I think I see a pattern, like I do makeup, I eat, and then lips gone. But you know what? That's not what this video is about. It's about this foundation. So let's take a look. I don't know. Like if you look at like right here, like this. It's like I look like this is like literally my skin. Like all the foundation here is like gone. And then here I have some like patches like right here. So yeah, if I put my hand there, like this literally no foundation. My nose is kind of greasy though, like over here. My concealer still looks good, but the foundation is like not foundation in. I mean, the foundation is $14. It's not like a crazy high price, but the shade range, it's not great. I think they have like 2 dark shades. My shade is the 4th shade to the darkest, which is literally not dark, like so ULTA, work on that. You definitely need to have a little bit more shades, lighter shades, darker shades, because so after my shade there's 3 shades and that's it. So yeah, but yeah, so that's it guys for this foundation Friday. I don't know, like I just get it at your own risk. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've tried